Hello, welcome back to Wild at Heart at Home. I'm Susan from Sheffield and Rotherham Wildlife Trust, Wild at Heart Project, and a big hello to all our Wild at Heart participants at Longleaf Four Greens Community Centre in North Sheffield. We're missing you all. To the new group at Brinsworth Community Centre, we hope everything's okay there. And to our participants through the Rotherham Social Prescribing Service and the wider community at Clifton Park in Rotherham. So we're thinking of you all, and one of the things we do at Wild at Heart every so often is make a seasonal soup together using low cost, plentiful, readily available vegetable ingredients, and it's proved very successful, a very sociable, enjoyable, connecting with nature activity. So today we're going to be making a pea and mint soup. Jess has put the recipe together and it'll be going out in our post packs, hopefully, fingers crossed, next week. Let us know how you get on. We know our participants enjoy the soup making. It's a very sociable thing to do, eat together and share stories and learn new skills perhaps, and learn from each other. It's been great fun. So today, I hope you can see this, the pea and mint soup is the recipe in the pack, but like all soup making, there's no really one right way to do it. Soup can be made in a variety of ways. Put things together, see whether you like it, use a recipe as a base and then adapt it. I went to the shops the other day and couldn't get any peas at all. The freezer was empty, so I ended up with a green medley, it's called. So it's a bit of a few peas, some green beans and broccoli with a hint of garlic and herbs. So I'm going to leave out the garlic clove and add a few of my own wild garlic leaves. So you can adapt the basic recipe to however you like. But soup making basically is putting vegetables in a pot, adding water and a bit of stock. I'm going to use a vegetable stock cube, a bit of salt and pepper if you like that, and boiling it up, cooking it down, and then you can eat it straight like that, or if you've got a blender or a liquidizer, you can blend it up to make a smooth soup. And again, add any garnishes. I think in the recipe there's a creme fraiche or cream or yoghurt you can put on the top. I'm not wildly keen on that, so I think we'll leave that off today. But what we have got, if you can see, are the pea tops that we grew the other week. This is the last of them. We've been eating them in our salad, and there's plenty here, so I'll put those as a garnish. I might even put a few in the soup. So I'm going to add these to the pan. Oh, I forgot about the mint actually. We've got some mint growing here in a pot. It's another great little herb that it grows readily. You don't have to do a lot with it. It's plentiful and abundant, and you can share it out with friends. And if you let some flower, it's fantastic for pollinating insects. Really good purpley flowers. Great for moths, especially little tiny little pretty plume moths and mint moths. So fantastic for pollinating insects, which is what we're really passionate about here at Sheffield and Rotherham Wildlife Trust. So back to the soup. I'll get it into the pan, get it started, and then come back to you. So welcome back. We have the cooked soup here, which I'll try and show you. It's proving a bit difficult with the sunshine here, but we've got a beautiful rich green spring soup with lovely green fresh colour to it. So that's very cheering already. I'm going to add in the mint, just a sprinkle, and again you can put in as much or as little as you want to your taste. I'm going to pop a few of the pea tops on the top and just stir them in, and we might have it just slightly blended for our lunch today. And this soup can be eaten hot or cold, so it's quite versatile, and you can have a bowl now and it'll keep in the fridge for tomorrow, a few days. So it's a great thing to do. And tell us how you get on. I'll also hopefully going to very quickly for our lunch today to go with it. The sun is not doing me any favours today. It's been quite hard to get the light right in here. But last night we made a little pastry pie, like a Greek pie, made out of seasonal forage from the garden. So there's some spinach, dandelion leaves, wild garlic, chives, onion tops, things like that. Anything green coming up, fresh herbs. In Greece it's a time when you go out into the hedgerows and forage for fresh herbs to give us that lift and that boost at this time of year, to get the vitamins and minerals inside us to make us healthy over the summer. So it's a great time to use all that energy of the sun, bringing forth the new growth. But be very careful, you know what you're picking, and don't pick anything at the sides of roads where dogs might have been. But for our Wild at Heart participants, when we're out and about in the parks and green spaces and beautiful countryside around Sheffield and Rotherham, we take great care around that. Okay, enjoy your soup, let us know how you get on, and all the best. See you next time.